One of my favorite hobbies is collecting and taking pictures with old digital cameras from the late 90s, early 2000s era. There's just something about the feel of the pictures you can take with them. They're very nostalgic and kind of eerie liminal. They're really great for that. So in today's video, we're going to be taking out the Sony Mavica camera and taking some pictures of it and seeing what you can do with this thing. Now, the thing that makes this one really interesting is this actually shoots on 3.5-inch floppy disks instead of the standard SD cards. This was one of the first consumer digital cameras to ever hit the market, and it's a lot of fun. We're going to go take this one out, see what kind of pictures we can take with it. Now, when I was a kid, digital cameras hadn't hit the market yet. I grew up with just like the old style film cameras, and the Mavica was the first digital camera that my family had, and I just thought it was just so amazing to be able to take a picture, save it on a floppy disk, and just pop it into your computer and see it right away. You didn't have to wait and get it developed or anything like that. So Sony introduced the Mavica line, I think sometime in the mid-90s, and they continued on into the early 2000s. And I think around then, SD cards became the norm and they discontinued it. This is the FD90, and this particular one came out in the year 2000. I bought this one at an estate sale. I think I spent about $30 for it, but it works great. The battery's good in it, and I got some floppy disks to use with it. All right, let's turn it on. All right, and we'll put our floppy disk in. Remember these things? And it just slides in right here. So basically, this is a camera with a full 3.5-inch floppy disk drive in it. Okay, and we're good to get started taking some pictures with this thing. Okay, so today we are at Rockaway Town Square Mall, and I think we can get some cool pictures in here. Let's see what we can get. It even has like pre-recorded camera sounds in it to kind of make it feel like you're using an old camera. Alright, so I've already filled up this disc. It only holds about 10 pictures, so make sure you're carrying extras if you're using one of these. But I brought extras with me. I got a pack of 10 here. Okay, let's take some pictures of these weird animatronic animals they have here at this mall. I think there's a train ride that goes around it. It's not running right now, but let's see what the Mavica can do for these. Okay, so I'm outside the mall by the JCPenney, and I want to try some of these different picture effects you can use. You have solarize, black and white, sepia, and negative. Pretty cool that these are all built into the camera like that. Okay, so we're trying it with solarize on it now. Alright, so this is the negative effect. This is going to look really cool. So the negative effect looks so cool. I can't wait to see what these look like when I get them on my computer. Okay, so here we are at ShopRite in Lincoln Park, New Jersey, and this is a very old school looking store, has kind of a late 90s, early 2000 look to it. I think we can get some cool pictures of this one. Okay, so I was driving along and I happened to see this playground with these giant flowers here. That's really cool. I don't think they had these when I was a kid. So let's take some pictures of these. I think we could get some pretty impressive shots. Alrighty, let's try this thing out at night. I think taking pictures of a convenience store will give it a cool vibe. Let's go shoot this 7-Eleven. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of me playing with this old school floppy disk camera. It's a lot of fun. You know, the picture quality, it's not the greatest. It's kind of a pain to use floppy disks, but I enjoy it. There's just something really nostalgic about it, and I have so much fun. So let me know if you liked this video, if you want to see more like camera photography related videos, because I love these old school cameras. I have a bunch of them now, and I've been taking them out, taking pictures with them. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to see me on more adventures in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.